Welcome back. This is the treehouse. This is a project that's been going on for over a year. And if you didn't see the first video, I gave y'all a glimpse of what it was supposed to look like. And as you can see, we've made a lot of progress. Design, pre-wire, installation, centralized lighting, so much going on in this house. And this is the project update. Come on. So let's talk about the exterior. Even though you got some B-roll glimpse of what's going on inside, let me tell you what's going on the exterior. One, as you can see, we have a purple wire hanging out for a future camera. Up there, in some of the other videos, I pointed out that we were gonna be doing linear lighting at the front of the house. This house is gonna have an amazing curb appeal. The centralized lighting is going to be connected to two big linear LED strips up there that are gonna be controlled in time and part of the automation. We do have access control, so let me take you to the front door. Access control. Here, we're gonna be installing a strike. This is a scenario where we get to show you how access control can be integrated into Control 4. Triggers, relays are going to control this door. It's going to have timers to where it's open during the day and it automatically locks at night. If at any given moment you want to lock it, we have keypads in the door that are going to activate and deactivate the door. Not only that, but we do have cameras and a bunch of lighting out here. All of this stuff is integrated within the system. And now, let's go inside. As you come in through the front door, if you didn't see the previous video, we do have a keypad at the front door to activate welcome and goodbye scenes. As you can see, cabinetry is being installed. This is a full house. Every single trade is in the house right now. Electricians, cabinets, plumbers, painters, the wood guys, everyone is in here. We also already installed speakers. Now I know we're gonna get a little kickback, but we do have a tight deadline. This is a project that we need to get finished within the next couple of weeks. So the speakers will be installed before paint, but the painters are doing a great job taping them out and make sure that they don't get damaged. This is where we're gonna have the flip out TV wall. So let's get some details. 75-inch TV installed with a hidden vision flip out mount. Wow, I got that out in one take. We have cat cabling for network integration, also for any triggers and relays that are needed for the system, and audio going back into the surround sound. We have 4-inch in-ceiling speakers by episode. Big shout out to our episode partners in Control 4. A lot of the product in this house is Control 4, Snap AV, and ADI integratable. So big shout out to them. Originally, we started with a different brand in 6-inch speakers. They wanted to get involved. They wanted us to get a taste of their product. So as you can see, we got 4-inch ceiling speakers by episode. So previously, this was just the hallway. All you saw was sheetrock. And as you can see now, we got cabinets going in. All of that is gonna have a bunch of linear lighting. But this is where most of the fun is going to happen. We are going to have a really large 130-inch ambient light resistant screen up there with a Samsung short throw projector. We do have two 55-inch TVs that are going over there. As you can see, we have 8-inch in-ceiling speakers by episode. We have an 8-inch sub by episode. All of these products are going to be integrated with the platform. We do have multiple T4 touchscreens that are going to give the access, that are going to give our client access to controlling everything, including this room and everything else in the house. The second floor, it's another place where a lot of partying is going to be, and that one has a cool feature that I gotta show you. Sorry to interrupt your video, but I had to drop in an ad to let you know that we are giving away this Ava remote. If you didn't know, we uploaded some videos with instructions. It is a free giveaway, so you can get in for free. And we also have a way for you to enter and get more entries. Shop with us, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. All right, so before I take y'all upstairs, this is a part of construction that I gotta bring out because it takes a lot of trades working together to make this happen. Big shout out to Element Cabinetry for this awesome cabinets. They've also been part of the LED work, getting all these wires where they need to go. Here, we're gonna have some backlit stone. We have, as you can see, a bunch of linear lighting going on and everything in here is custom. So I did wanna bring up, if you're doing any type of linear lighting, make sure that you have the right cabinet guys, and make sure that you have the right low voltage guys. All right, let's go to the second floor. All right, so we're gonna start on the second floor in the primary bedroom because you didn't get to see this room on the last video. There was a bunch of cabinets going on in here, and as you can see, all of the accent walls are completed, painting is completed, floors are getting finished up, and now I can show you the balcony. Now, This beautiful layout has two different exits. One coming from the second floor landing, another one from the primary bedroom. We're gonna have some railing in here that is gonna give you an overview of the second floor. This is the masterpiece of this home. No, really it's the automation, but we're calling it the treehouse because this home was built around this 200-year-old live oak tree. We got a pair of speakers, as you can see behind you, that are already installed. And then we have another zone of audio over here by the pool. That way you can have two separate zones, two separate atmospheres, and even two separate volumes. Check out this pool. Well, all right, no water in here yet, but you get a good idea of what the pool is going to look like. This is probably 5 foot deep. It is probably a 6 by 15 feet pool on the second floor of a balcony. Those cables that you see hanging there is where we're going to put our speakers. And then from here, while you're swimming and hanging out, you can actually watch this 75-inch TV that we're gonna mount right there. And the audio from the television is going to give you the option to pull it and extract it and play anything that's on the television throughout any of the speakers in the house. Now, all this stuff has to be controlled from somewhere. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, there's a lot of cables in this house that we pre-wired. So now I'm gonna take you to the third floor where all of the magic happens. Let's go. All right, so this is where all the brain power has gone. As you can see, we got future rack layouts. We got our floor plans. We have our centralized lighting plans. If you didn't see the previous video, we did a previous video on centralized lighting. The right side of this is going to be our centralized area. The left side, all the low voltage that you see over there, that's your speakers. We have 2 surround sounds, your zones of audio, which we have over 9 zones of audio throughout the house, cameras, full coverage, touchscreens, T4 touchscreens throughout the house for control. Wi-Fi expansion is critical. Audio distribution important, and more than anything, the centralized lighting on this house is going to give them usability from every single user interface. I hope that you learned something today. This is a recap of the treehouse. You have to stay tuned until we bring this one home. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Look, listen, and live with us. That's it. Go watch another video.